Hello everyone. Today, I'm excited to introduce you to a hidden seafood gem. In Ho Chi Minh City, Thuc Von K. This is a garden-style restaurant that locals love to frequent, offering a variety of incredibly fresh and delicious seafood dishes. Set in a lush, peaceful outdoor environment, it's the perfect place to enjoy an authentic seafood experience in Vietnam. Now, let me walk you through some of the 15 must-try dishes and how to enjoy them with the perfect sauces. Recommended dishes and how to eat them. 1. Grilled octopus muk nun. Sauce spicy chili sauce. How to eat: cut the octopus into bite-sized pieces and dip them into the sauce. The tender texture of the octopus paired with the heat from the sauce is a great combination. 2. Grilled sea prawns tom nun. Sauce garlic soy sauce. How to eat: peel the shrimp, dip it in the sauce, and savor its natural sweetness and rich garlic flavors. 3. Fresh oysters how to eat. Sauce lime juice and spicy vinegar. How to eat: squeeze some lime juice on top of the oyster, dip it into the spicy vinegar sauce, and enjoy its freshness. 4. Fried spring rolls cha gio. Sauce fish sauce. How to eat: dip the crispy spring rolls into the fish sauce and enjoy the rich seafood filling, paired with the savory, umami flavors of the sauce. 5. Turtle soup rua. Sauce soy sauce with garlic and chili. How to eat: turtle meat is sliced into portions and dipped into the spicy, savory sauce. In Vietnam, turtle is cooked with various fragrant herbs that enhance the flavor, and you finish the meal by adding rice noodles to the broth. The turtle soup here is one of the best I've ever tried. 6. Shrimp salad goi tom. Sauce: a dressing made from lime juice, sugar, and chili. How to eat: pour the dressing over the salad, mix it well, and enjoy the fresh shrimp with crisp vegetables. 7. Grilled clams nok tri nun. Sauce garlic butter sauce. How to eat: remove the clams from their shells, dip them in the garlic butter sauce, and savor the rich, savory taste. 8. Seafood fried rice com chien hai san. Sauce fish sauce. How to eat: drizzle a bit of fish sauce over the fried rice to enhance the umami flavor of the seafood and rice combination. 9. Grilled fish ka nun. Sauce fish sauce with garlic and chili. How to eat: flake the grilled fish, dip it into the sauce, and enjoy its delicate and smoky flavors. 10. Seafood noodle soup bun hai san. Sauce fish sauce and chili. How to eat: add the sauce to your noodle soup for a spicy and salty kick, mixing it well with the fresh seafood. 11. Steamed fish ka hap. Sauce ginger soy sauce. How to eat: dip the steamed fish in the ginger soy sauce for a mild, aromatic flavor that complements the tender fish. 12. Crispy soft shell crab cua lot chien guion. Sauce sweet chili sauce. How to eat: dip the crispy soft shell crab into the sauce for a perfect blend of sweet, spicy, and crispy textures. 13. Sweet and sour squid muk zao chua ingo. Sauce fish sauce mixed with vinegar and sugar. How to eat: dip the squid into the sweet and sour sauce for a refreshing contrast of flavors. 14. Garlic shrimp tom rang toi. Sauce garlic sauce. How to eat: savor the crispy, garlic-flavored shrimp with the sauce for an extra burst of flavor. 15. Spicy octopus salad goi muk. Sauce spicy fish sauce. How to eat: toss the octopus and vegetables with the sauce for a refreshing and spicy dish. The unique atmosphere and why locals love it. The outdoor garden setting at Thuc Von K is ideal for enjoying a meal with family and friends, especially during celebratory occasions. The atmosphere is peaceful, and you can dine while surrounded by lush greenery, which makes the seafood experience even more memorable. One of the reasons why locals keep coming back is the freshness of the ingredients. This restaurant keeps the seafood alive until it's time to prepare the dish, ensuring that the flavors are always at their peak. Turtle soup a must try. In Vietnam, turtle dishes are prepared with a variety of herbs, creating a deeply flavorful soup that's often concluded with rice noodles. While turtle dishes can be quite expensive in Korea and are often cooked with ingredients like black chicken in a dish known as 용봉탕 in Vietnam, they use local herbs and spices to make the dish even more savory and comforting. The turtle soup at Thuc Von K is hands down the best I've ever had. Location and practical information. While Thuc Von K is located in Tu Duc District, which is a bit far from the usual tourist spots. It's absolutely worth the trip for the food and atmosphere. If you're looking for a truly local experience with fresh seafood, this is the place to be. Thuc Von K. Address Sa 12 Duong So 15, Phuong Bin An, Quan Tu, Ho Chi Minh. Thank you for watching. I highly recommend trying these dishes when you visit Thuc Von K. It's more than just a meal. It's an opportunity to experience the rich flavors and traditions of Vietnamese seafood cuisine. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.